Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Okay, so can we talk about periods for a sec? Don't click away. I promise this isn't going to be your typical period talk. It's more like a sustainable period glow up, you know? For years we've been stuck with those standard disposable pads and tampons. They get the job done, but honestly, they're kind of the worst. Like, for real. Have you ever thought about what they're doing to our bodies and the planet? Yeah, not cute. First up, we've got the menstrual cup. Okay, I know what you're thinking. A cup? Where does it even go? Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Basically, it's this little flexible cup made from medical-grade silicone or rubber that you fold and insert, well, you know. And get this, it actually collects your flow instead of absorbing it. Kinda genius, right? I know, it sounds kinda wild at first, but hear me out. These bad boys can last for up to 10 years. Think about all the money you'll save on pads and tampons. Plus, no more emergency runs to the drugstore. Win-win. Now, I'm not gonna lie, there's definitely a bit of a learning curve with the cup. Figuring out how to insert it and take it out can be a whole thing, trust me. But once you get the hang of it, it's actually pretty comfy. And way less messy than you'd think. Seriously, the cup holds way more liquid than a tampon, so you don't have to empty it as often. Like, you can wear it for up to 12 hours, even overnight. No more period